Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Varsha and in today's video I am going to share my experience of CA Praveen Khator sir's SCM PE classes, that is CA Final Group 2 costing classes. Sir teaches SFM as well as costing subject. I have taken both the subjects from him. So I am going to share my experience of costing classes on the request of one of my subscribers. So let's start. First of all, talking about the duration of the batch. It is of approx 3 months, which is 90 lectures. It is more than other faculties' lectures if we compare. But I think if you have enough time, then you should definitely go for his classes because his way of teaching is very nice and the coverage of the syllabus is great. It is very vast. He covers all the concepts of practical as well as theoretical part very nicely. So it is worth the time. And if you are taking the video lectures, you can increase the speed to cover the syllabus. Secondly, if I talk about the pattern of teaching, so it is very nice because first of all, in case of practical questions, he gives time to think about what could be the solution. He gives time that first you solve the questions and then he himself makes us solve the questions if we are not able to solve. Like if certain question is there, so he gives 5 minutes to solve and then makes us solve if we are not able to. So that increases our thinking power and our concept clarity. The coverage of the questions given in the book is also very nice. The questions which are given in the book are covered in the class itself except certain solved questions which are given in the homework part. Like if we see in this book, after every concept the questions are given and at the last the homework questions are given which are solved in the book itself. So he discusses complex questions and rest of the questions we have to solve by our own. Like you can see the question and the solution is also given in the book. So you have to cover it by yourself. And if I talk about the drawback, so I feel that the tests are not conducted, which I have heard that tests are conducted in certain other faculties classes. Test increases our conceptual clarity and they also increase our confidence and we are able to know whether we are able to complete the question in time, which is very important in exam. Second drawback could be that you could feel that the class is too lengthy. If you don't have enough time, then you should not go for his classes. Otherwise, most of your time will get invested in this subject only. Another good thing that I feel is that he teaches the concepts in the form of a story. So the concepts get retained in our mind for a longer time as well as helps us in understanding the concepts very nicely. Now I will show you the notes as well as the books that he uses in the classes so that you can understand it more clearly. I will make a separate video on the book review of sir's book as well as notes. So there are two notebooks for the classes. One is the concept notebook in which all the concepts and certain examples are covered with the help of charts. You can see. So that before the exam you just have to go through this concept copy, and then the second copy is for question answers in which all the questions of the related concepts are covered. So you don't have to refer this notebook before the exam if you are thorough with the concepts and you have practiced well. So this helps in saving a lot of time and it is done by very few faculties. It is very helpful. So approx 2 question answer copies are there for the entire classes and 2 concept copies are there. The theoretical notes are also covered in this concept copy. I will give a review, a detailed review on the notes in my next video. Now talking about the book. So the practical concepts book is separate and the theoretical concepts book is separate. So in this practical book, first of all the concepts are covered and then the related questions, practical questions. Most of the questions are solved in the class itself or discussed. Only the questions which are given at the last are given to us for solving. So the coverage is very nice. It is not like the questions are given and they are not solved. He makes us solve most of the questions except a few. Then talking about the theoretical part book, so it is separate. You can see the theoretical part is given very nicely. It is a colorful book and certain interesting images are also given, and after every concept the questions are given which are also solved in the class itself, so you don't have to worry about solving them at your home by yourself. You can see, and he also makes us highlight certain important words in the theoretical part so that we can learn easily, and we only have to read these words before the exam. So it helps in saving a lot of our time. You can see whole book is very nice. So I personally feel that you should definitely go for his classes if you have time, because I liked his way of teaching and overall the class was very nice. If you have any other queries, you can ask in the comment section. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel for more such useful videos.